Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're talking about the best Monopoly Go tips and tricks. And yeah, I'll also share a free dice strategy that actually works. Make sure to watch till the end because every single tip here can help you win more games and save a ton of dice. Alright, first things first. You really need to understand how dice rolls and multipliers work. Every time you roll, you can choose multipliers like times 1, times 2, times 5, times 10, and yeah, even up to times 50 if you've got enough dice. Now, higher multipliers give you more rewards, like bonus event points, more cash, and better chances to hit high value spaces, but uh, blindly using high multipliers, that's honestly the fastest way to run out of dice. Here's the thing. Instead of just rolling randomly, you need a smart rolling strategy. Monopoly. Go is all about landing on the right spaces at the right time. Because you roll two dice, certain numbers are actually more likely to come up, specifically 6, 7, and 8. That's because there are more combinations to get those numbers. So yeah, position yourself so that rolling one of these numbers lands you on high value spots like railroads, chance spaces, or event tokens. Positioning is honestly the secret sauce here. Let me give you an example. If a railroad or event token is 10 spaces away, you've only got two possible rolls to land on it, like a 5 plus 5 or 6 plus 4. That's risky. But if the target space is 6 spaces away, there are three possible rolls: 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2, or 5 plus 1. So your odds are way better. That's why you should sometimes roll on times 1 multiplier first just to move into a better spot. Then, once you're lined up perfectly, crank up the multiplier to maximize rewards. Here's another big one. Don't waste dice when no event is running. Events often give you bonus dice when you land on special spaces, so yeah, if there's no event, keep your dice safe. Use low multipliers to move around strategically, and when an event does go live, that's when you unleash the big rolls. Okay, this is a freebie. Literally. Monopoly. Go drops free dice links almost every day on Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. Make it a habit to check those pages regularly and grab those extra rolls. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to stock up without spending any real money. Now, if you play a lot, you might want to consider joining the Tycoon Club. It's basically Monopoly Go's premium program. And yeah, sometimes it gives you extra dice and better rewards. If you're a casual player, you can skip it. But for frequent players, it can be worth it. Another tip, always keep shields active. Shields protect your properties and keep you from losing dice when other players land on them. Without shields, you'll burn through dice just fixing properties, which slows down your progress. This is one of my favorite strategies, and it's called the slow build method. Basically, you roll on times 1 or times 2 while moving around the board until you're close to a high reward area. Once you're 6 or fewer spaces away from a valuable spot, boom, crank up the multiplier to times 50 or even times 100. This method stretches your dice while still giving you massive payouts. If an event is active, you want to focus on event tokens. Position yourself so your next roll lands on a token, then use a high multiplier to cash in on maximum event points. Don't just waste dice randomly during events. Plan your moves so every roll gets you closer to rewards. So, to quickly recap, understand dice probabilities and use multipliers smartly, position yourself for high value spaces, save dice for events, collect free dice links every day, use shields and Tycoon Club if needed, and yeah, plan your rolls instead of leaving it all to luck. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you found these Monopoly Go tips and tricks helpful. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe for more strategies, and yeah, check out our other tutorials for more free dice methods.